my beautiful dolls, my beautiful sunshines, welcome back to this here channel. Thank you so much for being here. As you can see, I'm showing you this set that I did on a video a little ways back. As you can see, they're all stained in blue. She dyed her hair blue, so she stained all her nails, including her natural nails that you're going to see come out from underneath once I remove all this, to do her infill and do a new set. So first of all, once I remove most of it, you can see it more on her pinky. She has it really stained, but that's not going to hurt anything. It's really stuck to the acrylic, so it's not going to cause any infections or fungus or anything. I checked all that prior to proceeding with the infill. So I'm going to put the line out, and then I'm going to put the dehydrator and then the primer. The line out helps me see, although there was no lifting, it helped me see if there's any chance of lifting, and if there is, I go ahead and remove it, and then blend it in, and then apply the dehydrator and then the primer. And then this fill is just going to be with clear, because it's going to be a polished design. So I go ahead and I do the infill with the clear. I use the Tones clear glass acrylic. I'm using my number 8 brush and the Tones monomer. And then I will be applying the second coat of bonder once I apply the Pro. So I go ahead and do that, and then I go ahead and for the most part, I file and shape off camera. I just show a little bit of me using the drill here on here for you. And then I proceed to the next step. So once I proceed to remove, filing and removing all the particles off her hand, I clean with alcohol as well, and then I proceed to putting primer on the edges and the cuticle area of the nail, and I proceed to applying the top coat. I will be using on this occasion the Max top coat from Tones. I really like the shine it has, and the way, I mean, applying acrylic correctly already seals a cuticle, but this helps it give it a little oomph. So I love using this one. And then I proceed to the next step after this. So once that cures, I go ahead and use my black canvas gel polish from Finger Paints. I really love this polish. At first I didn't get it, but now I get how to use it. I only use 2 coats. I only show you how I apply the first coat, but I do apply 2 coats to this, and then I proceed to the next step. So here, using the tacky, the tackiness that the gel stays with, I go ahead and grab the foil and I just randomly place it anywhere. I'm using red holographic foil on this occasion, and I use it on the pinky and on the pointer finger. And here I proceed to adding lines. I apologize, you all know I have a very shaky hand, but I do them as straight as I can, and they look really nice. So I'm proud of my straightish lines. So I go ahead and use the Finger Paints white gel polish. I don't have the name in my head right off the bat, but I do use it. It's the same brand. I buy them at Sally's if you guys are interested. I usually go get them when they're like buy two get one free, or they're on sale or something. I don't buy them full price, and I also use my professional card to get them. So yeah, I go ahead and go up and down on this middle finger. I also do the lines up and down on the thumb. I just don't put it on camera. And moving on to the accent nail, the ring finger, I'm going to be trying to do a little neck here with the gel polish. Y'all know I'm not really good at the drawing business, but I do my best when they challenge me. And this is one person who really challenges me with the designs she asked for. So I go ahead and do the little neck and then two bones right there. And then I mix the gel with clear gel to make it kind of a less opaque white, and I try and do the coat. I guess it's the coat, right? Off the black that the nail is already. And then I proceed to adding all the top coats after this. So for the pinky and the pointer finger, I will be using Koopa's matte gel top coat. It is my favorite gel top coat. Also, I've only tried two. I tried the Gelish from Harmony and this one, and this is by far my favorite matte top coat. I haven't tried any other ones. If you guys think there's any other ones that are better, let me know, but this is my favorite. And I will be putting it on the pinky and the pointer. Then I'll proceed to put the max top coat on the other three fingers. So now I'm going to be using this glow in the dark acrylic that I made. It's made with white acrylic and the pigment I bought at Beauty Big Bang. I really love that it glows in blue. And I'm going to use that for Jack's head or face. And I'm going to be doing that in 3D just because it's easier for me to get the best circle I can on the head. I go ahead and apply some some primer. Although it's glossy, I wanted to make sure it adheres because sometimes when you do 3D on top of the top coat, sometimes it chips off. So I wanted to put the primer on to make it last a little longer. So I go ahead and proceed and do the head, and then I move on to the next step. So here I'm going to be doing a little bow. I know Jack's bow is black, but I wanted to do it in white because it glows in the dark. I mean, come on now. So I didn't want to make a perfect bow. I just wanted to make a bow. Kind of like, I don't know exactly what I want to do, but I didn't want to make the cute bow. I just wanted to make a big bow. So that's what I did. And I had the center and everything. And then I proceed to the next step. So before drawing the face, I go ahead and add some top coat onto my Jack. I add a bunch of it really good so there's no gaps in between where the 3D is and the nail. And then I proceed to add in his little face. The reason I put the top coat on first, just in case I mess up, I don't stain the white part of it. And I could remove it and restart. And I do mess up, so you're going to see that here. And I'm going to remove it and start over. So I'm going to add a little bit of lines to the bow, like where the bendies are and the center of it, just to give it a little bit of dimension or texture. And then I'm going to go ahead and do Jack's eyes. I don't know if you see it on the video. I'm not sure if you see it or not. But I do use a dotting tool and kind of pressure and pull up a little bit to make the eyes. I don't know if I pulled up or down, but that's how I made his eyes. Oh, I pulled down and then up, depending on the side. But that's what I do. Well, I hope you guys like this video. I do make the eyebrows and then I end up removing them. I don't like them. I kind of cure it first and then I try go back and do them, and I don't like them, so I don't leave them on. So ladies, I hope you liked this video as much as I did. I really like this set. It's my first try at doing Jack, and I think I did pretty well. I do end up doing a top coat on top of him after I'm all done. I also end up changing the thumb. After the cuticle oil, we decided that she wants it matte on the thumb, so we go ahead and do the matte before I finish rubbing the oil on. And that's that, and I hope you guys liked this video. I really enjoyed doing this set. It was a challenge for me, and I really liked the result. If you guys liked it, go ahead and share it, comment below. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe at the bottom and hit the notification bell so you can get notified of any of my videos. As you can see, a little black dot fell in there, and I tried to cover it up with a little bit of gel. I'm gonna have to do a little more coats on that after this off the video, but it came out really nice. So yeah, if you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and just hit the subscribe button. I'll put some videos at the end. You just touch the video on the screen to go to those videos. I will be putting a sale video. Also, go check out the video of my mixing. I'm doing a giveaway on there. All you have to do is share the video, comment, and like, I believe. And I'll be announcing the winner on Friday. Yeah, so go ahead and go check that out. I think that was it. Also, at the end, I'll be recommending my friend Tapatia's Nails channel. Of course, y'all know her. But I'm going to be doing some stuff too where you could, I can choose you to recommend your channel at the end of the video. I know I was putting all your names and everything on a list before. Right now, I've been really busy, so I haven't been able to do that. So I apologize. So once again, thanks for watching. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes. I'll see you on the next one. God bless you bunches. Bye.
Thank you.